we're making pipe cleaner flowers. We're gonna make some flowers with our pipe cleaners by just wrapping them around our finger and then pulling them off, and there we go. And gonna get some stems here, some green pipe cleaners. I'm just gonna cut some of them a little shorter so they're all different lengths. There we go. And now we're going to attach them to our flowers. And a little twist. Oh, doesn't that look nice? And we'll do our other flowers. These are looking great. There we go. We have ourselves a little arrangement of flowers. And now we're going to use some paper clips to measure them. Oops, not that one. There we go. The paper clips should all be the same length when using them to measure. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The tallest one is about 7 paper clips tall. The short one's 4 paper clips tall. We're gonna add a few more back in here. That's 5.5. And then 5. Perfect. Well, that was fun. Boop. Hey, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.